may nagmamahal sa'yo kasi kapag alam mo yung detail ng kung ano yung gusto ng tao, yun yung maalala niya. So I really appreciate na may nagmamahal sa akin. Namahal niyo ako, wow, feeling, you know? Pero maraming salamat. Maraming salamat na nandito kayong lahat after so many years. You've been here to support me and I'm really grateful for that. And yun lang, thank you so much.